Hi everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to fix Jackbox error joining this room in 4 easy ways. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to check the server status. To do this, open up your default browser and access the link that I posted in the description below. In here you can see the reports that can indicate current problems with the Jackbox server, and if there are problems, all you have to do is simply wait until these problems will be fixed. Otherwise, you can skip to the next solutions. Another great solution is to troubleshoot the internet connections. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and afterwards make sure to click on System on the left pane, and then on the right side scroll down until you find and select the Troubleshoot category. Now in here click on Other Troubleshooters, and afterwards make sure to select the Run button next to Internet Connections. Now Windows will try to find any issues and fix them as soon as possible. Afterwards, close both of these windows and make sure to restart your PC and check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another great solution is to simply disable the firewall. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type Firewall and then select Windows Defender Firewall from the search results. Now in here you can go on the left pane and select Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and then on both private network settings and public network settings, tick the box next to Turn off Windows Defender Firewall. The last thing you have to do is press on OK, restart your computer, and then check if the issue still persists. And lastly, another great solution is to reinstall Jackbox. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and afterwards make sure to click on Apps on the left pane, and then on the right side click on Apps and Features. Now in here, under the App List section, click on the Search Apps box and simply type Jackbox. Then once you found the Jackbox application, make sure to click on the ellipsis next to it and select the Uninstall option. After uninstalling the game, make sure to close this window, restart your PC, and then feel free to reinstall the Jackbox game to check if the problem still persists. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.